Okay, yeah, I'm going to show you how I wash my screens. Now, I get a lot of what I usually wash my windows for, and I use this scrubber, and as you can see it's saturated. Lightly scrub on it, you can hear it scrubbing. Dunk it again, twist the screen around, do the other side. As you can see the water's, all the dirt's coming out, but it's scrubbing it off as well. So now you get a microfiber or any sort of cloth and just lightly hit it, and the water and dirt comes off the screen, as you can see. And then you just go around, wipe the screen like that, and that's how it's done, and I suppose that's about it.